Hey traders, it's Roberto. It's August 10th, 2020, Asian session, and this is the tutorial for the Goldeneye, profit Goldeneye indicator, and that I'm pretty excited about because, I've tested quite a few indicators over the years. I don't think I found one that is consistently profitable as this one. So I'm going to make some videos with an account that I opened specifically for the Goldeneye, so you can see the results. So right now I've opened, and I'll show you. Let me just pull this down a bit so you can see the chart better. When you see a pop-up window will appear, an audible, and it'll tell you um, to buy or sell. And this arrow is indicating to buy on pound Australian dollars. Pause the tape. I'll come back when all these are in profit, and we'll take it from there. Hey traders, I am back, and it's been a few hours, and these are the trades that were taken earlier today that Goldeneye had, signals that Goldeneye has generated. This is the box that pops up with the signals with an audible alert each time there is a signal. The Goldeneye page opens up. So I will stay in these trades a little bit longer. It is still the Asian session. And again, I hardly trade the Asian session, but I wanted to um, show how powerful this tool is, how accurate the Golden Eye is. I've been trading it for a few weeks, pretty happy with it. You can purchase the Golden Eye on the website, or you can just go to this link. I'll post a link on the bottom of this YouTube video. If you do purchase it, you'll receive 1 free week of live trading room access, training on the GoldenEye, the other indicators. Live trade room today for the UK New York session on October 10th. We made 126 pips. This is the Asian session. These trades are still open. I'll make another video for the European and New York session. Thanks for watching. Have a good week trading.